he has written in, a very useful one, the same diagram that I've shown you. This is the network arrangement. Here he was telling you how you can set up, how you will do this netting thing, right? And similarly, you will get this console of your pfSense. You will go to your host browser, you will log in here, and you can set up your interface. So this is quite self-elaborative. I hope most of you guys have configured pfSense previously as well. So you can easily run down to that. So this is part 2 of it. You will find the URLs in it. So in this part 2, what you will do, you will install a PLC and SCADA bar. How you can download them, there is yes, like link there as well. So what you need to do now, you need to make this MB2 and MB3 servers. You will install Ubuntu and you will make 2 servers. Both will be connected to this LAN. So you have to take this second adapter. You will in the second interface, your host only network. And here, one thing you have to allow promiscuous mode, and your VM should talk to all the host in the environment in promiscuous mode. While you create this LAN adapter, the second LAN adapter here, it should be promiscuous enabled, and it should talk to all the VMs, mean host as well and the servers as well. So after doing this basic configuration, you will configure the DHCP, what is mentioned in previous settings. You will now get this OpenPLC. So you will see this interface. What you can do, we'll see next. Then you will install the SCADA bar. SCADA bar is there. You can install it with this Git as well. You will log in with it and you will see this interface. And then you have like further configuration, so you can update it. So
welcome to Global Information Security Society for Professionals of Pakistan.
Kind of a assessment that you can perform on your own. So here I have, I will also share a link with you. You can go to this site, you can explore it yourself. This is a kind of a homework that I will do share with you guys. I have built it successfully. So if you have anything, you can, contact me later through my LinkedIn or WhatsApp, whatever you want to, but it works here. So you don't need any OT or anything. You just need to implement this architecture. What you need to do, you need to install a virtual box. In that virtual box, you need to install this pfSense from their website. You can download. You will create 2 interfaces over there. One is connecting to the WAN, and one will be connected to your LAN. Like this will be like host only, and you will do NAT normally. So your base platform will be like Windows 10, I guess. So from here you can contact with the internet, and you can work. You will create a separate Ubuntu server with the SCADA BR tool. We'll see how you can download and all that, and then you will you will also build a PLC server as well. It's also a Ubuntu server, and you will use this tool as factory IO. This is a very good simulation tool. You can make a plant setup. How you're going to make it? Because we definitely have a very limited time. We are getting into 5:30. So I will share next screen. I will share a website with you. So where you can go and second. There's a link. I will share this link in the chat. So you can visit there and you can run down the entire lab. This I must appraise this guy's work. He has what a lot of good work for us, so we can learn something good. So I have posted a URL uh, in the chat box. You can use it and you can reach to this site, which I am sharing with you now. So this is basically a sort of a blog. This guy, he has written it, a very useful one, the same diagram that I've shown you. This is the network arrangement. Here he was telling you how you can set up, how you will do this netting thing, right? And similarly, you will get this console of your pfSense. You will go to your host browser, you will log in here, and you can set up your interface. So this is quite self-elaborative. I hope most of you guys have configured pfSense previously as well. So you can easily run down to that. So this is part 2 of it. You will find the URLs in it. So in this part 2, what you will do, you will install a PLC and SCADA bar. How you can download them, there is yes, like link there as well. So what you need to do now, you need to make this MB2 and MB3 servers. You will install Ubuntu and you will make 2 servers. Both will be connected to this LAN. So you have to take this second adapter. You will, the second interface, your host only network. And here, one thing you have to allow promiscuous mode, and your VM should talk to all the hosts in the environment, promiscuous mode. While you create this LAN adapter, the second LAN adapter here, it should be promiscuous enabled, and it should talk to all the VMs, mean host as well and the servers as well. So after doing this basic configuration, you will configure the DHCP, what is mentioned in previous settings. You will now get this OpenPLC. So you will see this interface. What you can do, we'll see next. Then you will install the SCADA bar. SCADA bar is there. You can install it with this Git as well. You will log in with it and you will see this interface. And then you have like further configuration, so you can update it. So then we will move to this part 3, in which you have to install this factory IO. It's a downloadable 30-day trial version available from their website with your email address. So this is a particular PLC environment that you can create with this factory IO. How it will create, what it will create, it's everything is there: emitter, start button, safety door, conveyor belt. These all things you have to add up, and this image will come up. So this is basically a typical product development build, and you will compromise it. At the end of this lab, what you will achieve is basically this particular red machine, it's not working properly. So all things you explore yourself, lot of content is there to it. And now you will come to part 4, in which you have PLC configurations. Now whatever you have made with this factory IO, you will connect it with your PLC. How you're going to do that? Read it. It's very much well written. It's very much good. Here you will these are the like diagram of what I said. You need to understand how PLCs are drawn. So on the PLC, you will see all these interfaces, what kind of a data is going out and coming in. On all the interfaces will be available here. So this video, if you see, this is normal process that is running. Like it's picking up the box, it's making it sit the backside. So this is it is working with normal working. So we will move to this another one. This is the like fifth part as well. How can how that? Okay. Okay. So what I'll try to do is I'll try to overwrite this URL. In the last program, what you will see is basically they will insert a tag. Oh my God. Okay. I don't know where that link is, but they have like fifth module as well. They have a fifth module as well. You will find a link here. So in that fifth module, you will add a Kali machine, and that Kali machine will compromise the PLC thing, and this process will malfunction. This process will not work as per the uh, yeah, this is. So this is part 5. In this part 5, you can see this guy has introduced a Kali machine and selected. So now he has added a Kali machine as a MV4, like he will connect his Kali machine with the uh, uh, with the interface LAN interface of this PFSense. I hope you can manage the firewall thing with this PFSense. He have shown it here like this. Promiseless mode I talked about. Yeah, so this is a home lab that you can build. I'm sorry, we have run very out of time. I was looking to do some real thing as well, but unfortunately we cannot do. So let me move to the presentation. Okay. So this is the lab that we have seen. This is the introduction of this factory IO. This is the tool. You can have various version. Free trial, you can get it for 30 days. Other than if you want to pursue it for a lifetime, you can have different editions from the OEM perspective. And you have like ultimate edition who is having the entire features in it. So thank you so much once again. I hope this session was once again has added something to your knowledge. The tools that I have demonstrated are not the only one. There's a huge library of things there, but I have only demonstrated only, the free ones or, the open source ones who are contributing to the community. So getting back to the question,
अस्सलाम वालेकुम
Walaikum
आमिर
Assalam.
भाई स्लाइड कोई
Yeah.
और लगा लें या लास्ट की भी है ना कोई अच्छी स्लाइड लगा लें ताकि वो
Okay.
पीछे बैकएंड पे
Okay.
हो
Okay. Okay.
जिस पे कोई डायग्राम बनी हो वो लगा लें या ये लगा लें लैब वाली लगा
जी.
लें
Okay. Okay. Okay.
ठीक है अच्छा चैट में कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं कुछ कमेंट्स हैं वो देख लीजिएगा फिर
जी
उसको
जी
जब
जी
एड्रेस
जी.
कर लेते हैं
I am going through it. Walaikum Assalam, Harun. Hope you are doing good. Asad, okay, okay. I want to add something to Isaac. It should be fine. Should not be fine like this. Okay. Okay, Asad, I understand you are saying what, but Actually, we have a mixed audience here. We might have some guys who have not even done 27,001 as well, who are new to the domain, who want to get directly into IC OT security thing. But definitely, we cannot have a maturity established well before the session that, okay, only the senior OT guys should join. So then our discussion will start from a different level. So here we are targeting all the audiences. So I understand your pain point and I totally agree to it. But for us, if you have seen, I start with my background of previous sessions. So if any guy who has joined this as a first time should have the liberty to at least understand what's coming on. So though it's the 62443, it's not a single 1 hour 30 minutes thing. It's a huge thing. To understand it, we must have standard in front of us, but definitely those standards are proprietary. We cannot show it here. Whatever is available on the public, we can only demonstrate it because our session goes on live, right? We publish it on YouTube channels. So we refrain from showing what are like proprietary materials. So I hope you understand that essence. And whatever your queries are from the expert side, I am open to that. Osama, once again, yes, it's a copy pasted material, but it is aligned in a proper way. So uh, फिर वही मैं उसी चीज़ का जवाब उसी से दूंगा कि हम प्रोप्राइटरी चीज़ों का ख्याल रखते हैं। जो चीज़ अवेलेबल होती है ऑन द इंटरनेट हम वो लेकर दिखाते हैं आपको। वी कैन नॉट शो समथिंग व्हाट इज प्रोप्राइटरी इफ वी कैन हैव इश्यूज इन दैट। So if you have already studied that, that's nice, good.
सर मेरा ख्याल है और कोई सवाल नहीं है, बस ये कमेंट्स ही थे 2-3।
जी शहजाद भाई, सॉरी कुछ कह रहे हैं आप?
मैंने कहा आपके सवाल नहीं था, शायद बस कमेंट्स थे, तो उसको मेरा ख्याल है क्लोज कर सकते हैं हम लोग।
जी।
किसी का कोई
मैं
सवाल है तो
भी
बता दें, इकबाल या किसी का कोई सवाल हो तो बता दें, मैं उनको
इकबाल,
अनम्यूट कर
थैंक यू
सकता हूँ।
सो मच। I think we are receiving thanks. So, yeah, in wrapping it up, ये जो last part था इसका, ये you can go to that lab. आप उस icsrank.com को भी explore करें. You will learn lot of things. कोई चीज़ attempt नहीं कीजिएगा, क्योंकि किसी के running environment है, आपको नहीं पता कि वो exploit हो जाए और something can go, on the other side. So I have also not attempted anything while demonstrating it. ये आप अपनी पर्सनल लैब बना सकते हैं with the lab setup so on the screen. और इसके ऊपर आप प्रैक्टिस करें, आप काली के ऊपर पेलोड्स बनाएं, आप उसको इन्यूमरेट करें, आप डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फैक्ट्री आईओ के अंदर जाकर आप मल्टीपल ओईएम की इक्विपमेंट यूज़ कर सकते हैं। अगर आपका कोई ओटी इन्वायरमेंट बना हुआ है जहां आप कंपनी में काम कर रहे हैं, तो आप उस ओटी इन्वायरमेंट की जो भी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन है उसके हिसाब से उसको रेप्लिकेट कर सकते हैं और फिर उसके ऊपर जो भी आप टेस्टिंग परफॉर्म करना चाह रहे हैं करके आप लर्न कर सकते हैं। सो वंस अगेन थैंक यू सो मच। और आई अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट असद हैज सेड, बट हम यहाँ पर सुपरफिशियल नहीं जा सकते। बड़ी 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 बातें भी हम यहाँ कर सकते हैं, बट वी हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट द पीपल। दे हमारे इनिशियल बिगिनिंग सेशन हैं और ओटी सिक्योरिटी इतनी जल्दी कवर नहीं हो सकती है। यहाँ पर हमने रिस्क असेसमेंट के ऊपर बात कर ली थी, उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट क्यों है, क्या है, कौन सा स्टैंडर्ड है, आपको आज ये पता लग गया कि आपने कौन से इंस्टीट्यूट के पास जाना है सर्टिफिकेशन के लिए। आपको बाइबल ऑफ 62443 पता लग गई है, किसको जाकर आपने पढ़ना है, किसको नहीं पढ़ना। अगर आप लोगों को कुछ पता है, दैट्स वेल एंड गुड, बट माइट नॉट बी कि वो सबको पता हो, एंड वी हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट दैट। सो दैट्स अप फ्रॉम माय साइड।
थैंक यू आमिर भाई, इट वाज अ वेरी गुड सेशन अगेन। सो रियली अप्रिशिएट कि आप अपना टाइम निकालते हो और ये स्लाइड्स बनाते हो और फिर प्रेजेंट करते हो। अदरवाइज बहुत से लोग हैं वो सामने भी नहीं आते हो, मतलब वॉलंटियर भी नहीं करते, तो माशाल्लाह इट्स बिग एफर्ट
थैंक यू सो
कि
मच।
आप अपना टाइम
थैंक
स्पेंड
यू सो
करते हो
मच।
इस पे। थैंक यू अगेन। तो इंशाल्लाह ताला फिर देखते हैं इस पे मजीद आगे क्या हो सकता है। तो सी यू
इंशाल्लाह।
अगेन टुमारो सम टाइम अगेन इंशाल्लाह। ओके गाइस, लास्ट टाइम आई नोटिस जो चैट्स है ना, ये ऑन गोइंग है। So you can always come back and look at the chat to, or you can talk to each other, the participants. So these chats open है, सब उसकी open ही रहती हैं ना Zoom की chats. So you can use them ना. Even to ask any questions from me, I can also respond there. Okay, take care guys. Thank you. I will close this meeting now.
You